with a new subtopic, that is the reflection of wave. The concept before you: when the wave it travels in the form of transverse wave as well as longitudinal wave. When the transverse wave travels through the medium, it travels in the form of crest and trough. Process will continue, it is periodic in nature. Now the next, longitudinal wave. As per its property, it travels in the form of compression and rarefaction, compression, rarefaction. The process will continue, alternate compression and rarefaction. Okay. Now the question before you: how it reflects? We know the medium, that is a rarer medium, that is example, that is air. And in case of denser medium, which is having the higher density than that of air, so denser medium may be glass, maybe water, maybe ball, anything. Okay. So initially we are going to know the transverse wave will reflect. Okay, it reflect. Then what happened? What happened to the wave velocity and particle velocity in the wave? What happened to the phase? That we are going to know. Initially, transverse wave travels from or reflect from the denser medium. Then what happened? Number 1 point, see the diagram. In this one, in the diagram clearly it is shown how the reflection it will take place. But initially the particle and wave velocity reversed. Phase change occur by 180 degree, due to which crest reflect as a trough reflect as a crest, and process will continue. Okay, diagram which is shown clearly. Now the next diagram that we are going to know. See the diagram. In the next diagram, when it reflect from the rarer medium, just like air, then what happened? Its particle velocity and wave velocity never changes, means obviously the phase change occur by 0 degree, and crest reflect as a crest and trough reflect as a trough. Now sir, what happened when such a longitudinal wave it travels from the denser or reflect from the denser medium and reflect from the rarer medium? See the diagram. Carefully see the diagram. In this one, in case of longitudinal wave, in case of denser medium, once again the same. Wave velocity and particle velocity reversed. Phase change occur by 180 degree. But here compression reflect as a compression, reflect as a compression, rarefaction reflect as a rarefaction. Okay, and what happened when it reflect from the rarer medium? See the diagram. In the diagram clearly it is shown how the reflection will take place. What happened to the particle velocity, wave velocity? Number 1 point, particle velocity and wave velocity never changes. Particle and velocity and wave velocity never changes, and phase change occur by 0 degree. Then obviously compression reflect as a rarefaction and rarefaction reflect as a compression. This will happen. Okay. Now see the manual view. In case of denser medium, see particle velocity, okay, and wave velocity are reversed. What happened? It is reversed. Phase change occur by 180 degree or pi radian. In case of rarer medium, particle velocity, particle as well as wave velocity never changes, and phase occur or phase change of 0 degree. Okay, in case of denser medium, in case of longitudinal wave, particle and wave velocity reversed. What happened? Reversed. And what about the phase? Once again 180 degree, and particle and wave velocity in case of rarer medium, it never changes. Okay, and what about the phase? Phase never changes, means 0 degree. So a revision in short. In case of transverse wave, when it travel or reflect from the denser medium, the particle and wave velocity reversed. Phase change occur by 180 degree. Crest reflect as a trough, trough reflect as a crest. In case of rarer medium, particle and wave velocity never changes. Phase change occur by 0 degree. So crest reflect as a crest, trough reflect as a trough. In case of longitudinal wave, when it reflect from the denser medium, particle and wave velocity reversed. Means phase change occur by 180 degree, and compression reflect as a rarefaction reflect as a compression. In case of rarer medium, what happen? It reflect. When it reflect, particle and wave velocity never changes. Phase change occur by 0 degree, and compression reflect as a rarefaction, and rarefaction reflect as a compression. Thank you.